So we still are loving the HTO chart. Yep. We're loving the HTO chart. They went from using the base 10 blocks to drawing the pictures, and now we're just going to go abstract and use the numbers. So let the dice choose the rolling. Okay, 352. Again, we're practicing just writing our numbers down and getting comfortable in that way of doing things. It's not gonna give me a regrouping. There we go. Ooh. I'm gonna do just 65. My 0 could technically go like that. And if that's how they want to write it, that's perfectly fine. So 1s, we always start in the back. 10s and 100s. And completely honestly, it's very similar, but to keep them comfortable in the transition, we're going to write it all down here. So we have 352, and then 0, 6, 5. I'm just adding it up. Let's see if we go. Okay, so 2 plus 5. Now, something that they might become a little bit nervous about is, okay, how do I add 2 plus 5? We've been working on fluency in the classroom, but sometimes when you see it in a new way, it's more challenging. I'm all for draw 2 dots, draw 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then you count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next one, we have 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then I count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now I tell them, okay, we know we can't put 2 digits in the same place, but that still is 11. So we take that next one, this is technically 100, and I just do it normal right here on top. So I still have 11. 11 is 1, 1, so I wrote 1, 1, but I just moved it up to the next group of 10. So 1 plus 3 plus 0. Again, it might not seem important to you, but it gives them confidence if they can draw those dots. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 0. And voila, we have 417. As they get more comfortable with this, eventually they can do the same exact thing on here. So eventually I would like them to not do it on their whiteboard. They can still draw their dots and do it here. They can draw the dots even on the side. But as long as they understand the steps, it's super important. A lot of students, they're like, oh yeah, I remember, it goes to the next. They need to remember to bring the next thing over, because as they get into more complicated math functions, as like in division and multiplication, it's important to carry those over. But those are the 3 steps, the 3 ways that we can practice doing